puzzle picture in a step-by-step PowerPoint. See the rest of this tutorial. Insert a circle and put its size to 1. Then add a rectangle and put its size to 0.65 height and 0.5 width and put it here. Duplicate this circle. Select all of them and align bottom, and then duplicate this circle again and put it in this position. Now it's time to change the size of this rectangle. Select it and put its height to 0.84 and put it width to 1.5. Bring it to front and put it in this way. Select all of them. Remove their outline. And now go to the merge shape and select fragment. Delete these parts. Select these shapes and go to merge shape and make them union. Now insert rounded corner rectangle. Put its size into 4 and put it here. Duplicate this shape. Select these two shapes and make them union. Now select this bigger shape and then your yellow shape. Go to merge shape and select and subtract. Minimize your shape and put it here. Duplicate this shape 3 times and rotate it the same as you see in video. Now you can select all of them and change the color of its outline. I put it in the white. One of this shape. Go to picture or texture field and insert your picture. Go to picture format and here in the format picture, unmark this box. Rotate with shape. Now in picture format tab, go to crop and select on field. Put the picture in the right position that you want. And by this point, maximize your picture. Okay. And now select on crop. Do it for other shape. Select another one. Go to the picture or texture field. Unmark rotate with your shapes. Go to the picture format tab. Choose crop and choose field. Put it in the right position and choose this point and maximize your picture and put it in the right position and match it as same as a puzzle and then crop it. Do it for other shapes. More effect on this puzzle picture. For this, select all of them. Go to the format pictures, go to 3D format and choose both. To this puzzle picture, select one of them, go to the animation tab and choose fly in. In effect option, choose from top right. And for the other one, select the same animation but change the effect option and put it from top left. For the right one, right bottom, fly in and effect option, put it in from bottom right. And for the last one, fly in effect option and change it to from bottom left. Select all these animations, go to more. All of them start with previous and change the duration to 1 second. And now you can play all of them. Now it's time to see what's happened. Go to the slideshow. Thank you a lot. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.